Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to pay your Fairstone loan. So if you have a Fairstone loan, you need to make a payment. There are multiple ways to do it. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. So first, you want to choose your payment method. They have several ways where you can go ahead and make your loan payments. One is online through your bank. There is the pre-authorized payments. There's in person at a Fairstone branch. You can do this by mail, either check by money order, right? Or you can do it through phone banking. Many different ways. Now, if you want to pay it online via your bank, this is actually the easiest way. Just log in to your online or mobile banking app. Go to the bill payment section, click on add a payee, then you want to search for Fairstone and select it. Now, enter your Fairstone loan account number. You can find this on your loan agreement. Then just enter the amount you want to pay and submit. Now, please note this takes about 1 to 3 business days to reflect. And then what you can also do is you can set up a pre-authorized payments, basically automatic payments. So if you want payments to be deducted automatically, set up the pre-authorized payments. You can just call Fairstone customer service. I'll give you the number. It is 1-800-995-2274. And then you just request to enroll in automatic payments for your bank account. You just provide your banking details and select your preferred payment schedule. And Fairstone will automatically deduct payments each month. And what you can also do is go ahead and pay in person at a Fairstone branch, right? You can do that as well. Find the nearest branch using the Fairstone website. Bring your loan account details and payment method, cash, debit, or check, and make your payment and get a receipt for reconfirmation. What you can also do is you can go ahead and pay via mail, check or money order. So if you prefer, you can do that. Make the check payable to Fairstone. Write your loan account number on the memo line. Mail it to the address provided on your loan statement. And the processing time for this one may take, several business days to clear. So you want to keep that in mind. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.